Okay guys, so now we're going to check the flat. I think there's some holes or some nails, so let's check guys, cause at least every, oh that one guys, look, okay, it's like a hole, maybe hit the nail guys. So we're gonna do some fixing to this wheel once for the pound. So once in 2 weeks I feel the air. This kind of dangerous guys. Satu aja om ya? So there's only one hole guys. So we're gonna put like a rubber inside. Okay. So this is in Pertamina guys. Pertamina Enduro Express Fast Nitrogen. So this is how this gonna fix it. Yang tadi malah nggak bocor om ya?
Ya tadi nggak bocor Pak. Soalnya apa namanya?
Pendek ya?
Pendek.
Actually there's another nail guys, but it's short so it not hit inside. Oh, ini ya. So this is the tutorial guys how to. Oh, guys this one guys, baut ya?
Iya baut Pak.
Okay, so he makes another hole and then put this the rubber guys. Look. The rubber. Push it. Push it. Yes, push. Push. Push inside and after that I think pull out. Oh, this man is so strong. Kuat banget om. So we cut it. Udah gitu aja, gak pakai lem-lem om.
Nggak usah Pak, kayak gini doang.
Kenapa dia bisa nempel? Kenapa?
Soalnya sama-sama lengket Pak.
Oh, dia banyak sudah lengket.
Ya.
Oh, so we don't need to put glue, guys, cause this one the materials will stick to the wheel. Cause with rubber, there's some, I don't know, like chemical inside, so it will just stick together. And then we fill in the air. Okay, guys. Hopefully we don't need to. Once again, guys.
That one. Yes, like that.
Okay. Okay. Let's see until it's finished. Okay. So for 36. Sudah om ya? Okay. So it's done guys. So that's the tutorial to fix your wheel. Bye guys.